Last week marked a new era of space exploration as NASA launched its latest rover to Mars, where it will hunt for signs of ancient life. The Perseverance rover launched at 7:50 a.m. Eastern on July 30. The timely liftoff took place at the Space Launch Complex 41 at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station, where the rover was strapped atop a United Launch Alliance Atlas V541 rocket. In this video, we uncovered the details and objectives of NASA's Perseverance 2020. Press subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update on the Young Conservatives. Over the past 2 decades, missions flown by NASA's Mars exploration program have shown that Mars was once a very different from the cold and dry planet that it is today. Evidence discovered by landed and orbital missions point to wet conditions billions of years ago. These environments lasted long enough to potentially support the development of microbial life. The mission, which was first announced more than 7 years ago, will take Perseverance an additional 6 to 7 months to reach its destination by February 18, 2021, after a journey of more than 314 million miles. Before it was cleared for flight to Mars, the Perseverance rover had to undergo final testing to ensure Robotic Explorer was up to the task. Testing began April 6th, lasting for 3 days at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. A week before launch, Perseverance was packed into a fairing nose cone that was maneuvered into place on top of the Atlas V rocket, which launched the rover to Mars. Before doing so, Perseverance had to pass its flight readiness review. Before it took off to begin its interplanetary journey, Perseverance tweeted its boarding pass to Mars. The boarding pass has the rover's destination, Jezero Crater. The 28-mile-wide, 500-meter deep crater once housed a lake estimated to have dried out 3.5 to 3.8 billion years ago. Therefore, it is the ideal location for Perseverance to hunt for signs of past microbial life. NASA held a nationwide contest to name the rover, announcing the name Perseverance in March. Alexander Mather, a 7th grader and winner of the contest, poses next to the car-sized robot before it begins its journey to Mars. And we have liftoff. Perseverance launched right on time, beginning its journey to Mars, which is located more than 60 million miles away. A little more than 4 minutes into flight, and the Perseverance rover bids farewell to the Atlas V rocket as the vehicle separates from the spacecraft in order to continue its own journey to Mars through interplanetary space. After separating from the rocket, Perseverance sent out its first signal to ground control and established contact with Earth down below. The signal was sent out through the Deep Space Network, a global network of antennas that manages communication with the spacecraft. Perseverance will carry a highly skilled team of detectives on board. Its instruments, Sherlock and Watson, will look for microscopic clues in Martian rock. Perseverance isn't venturing to Mars on its own. The Ingenuity helicopter will hitch a ride with the rover and allow NASA to test out the ability to fly a helicopter on a planet other than Earth for the first time. Key objectives of Perseverance include to explore a geologically diverse landing site, assess ancient habitability, seek signs of ancient life, particularly in special rocks known to preserve signs of life over time, gather rock and soil samples that could be returned to Earth by a future NASA mission, demonstrate technology for future robotic and human exploration. The mission will also test out conditions for possible human exploration of Mars by trialing a method of producing oxygen from the Martian atmosphere, characterizing environmental conditions such as water and dust on Mars, and looking for resources. Once on Mars, Perseverance will join another NASA rover, Curiosity, which has been roaming the Martian surface since 2012. Comment below what you think, and also don't forget to subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.